Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have my May BOXYCHARM unboxing. Doing a little unboxing and a try on per usual. Like the products in this one's box are a little random, like they're just kind of all over the place, but we're gonna see what is in this box and just see if they work out for me or not. I get a card in my box this month, so I'm not exactly sure. Let me look on their Instagram. The theme this month is Mother Nature, I believe. Just wrote down the prices on my phone. I just looked them up on Google to see like what they were, but yeah, I don't have a card, so that's a little weird. But anyways, but yeah, if you guys don't know what BOXYCHARM is, it is a monthly subscription box. It is $25 a month. You get 4 to 5 full-size products in each box every month. I've been getting this box for years. I love it so much. You sent me this box, by the way, but this is not sponsored. I just love doing BOXYCHARM unboxings. They're like one of my favorite videos to film. So just get into it. I'll show you guys this product really quick because I don't think I'm actually going to use it right now. But this is the Tarte Micellar Magic Makeup Remover and Cleanser. This is what it looks like, and it retails for $18. Sorry, I'm like trying to look at my phone. But yeah, this retails for $18 and it has 6 ounces of micellar water in here. I'm not like a huge fan of Tarte. I've expressed this before, but I will use it because I do like micellar water. I do like more cleansing balms to remove my makeup, but I also will use a micellar water every now and again, especially like when I'm just doing my makeup and I just need to like clean something up. I do like micellar water. So I obviously don't have anything on my face right now to take off, but yeah, this is in the box this month. This is a product I am excited for, and I'm pretty sure my mom's probably gonna steal this from me because she actually loves this brand. But this is the Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads. These are skin smoothing pads. I think this is the most expensive thing in the box this month, but these retail for $59. And these are just like resurfacing pads. I think we've gotten some kind of pads like this before in the past. They smell medicine-y kind of, but yeah, we're just gonna use one before I get into my makeup. So let's just take one of these. Just looks like this. That's how pretty much all resurfacing pads look. But yeah, I'm pretty sure my mom will steal these for me because she really likes a lot of stuff from this brand. It feels nice on the skin. It feels really cooling. Honestly, I'm really hot right now. It's hot in my house. I don't know if you're supposed to notice like a big difference right away with resurfacing pads or if it's kind of just something you notice over time. It says that these cleanse the skin of dead skin cells in less than 1 minute, acts on 2 levels as a chemical and a physical exfoliant, and evens out the complexion to help promote skin radiance. So yeah, like I mean, I feel like my skin does feel nice. It looks really clean and like it feels really clean, and my skin does feel smooth. So a little bit on my nose because my nose is kind of struggling lately. Supposed to just basically smooth and brighten the skin. Oh, you know what? I really do notice a difference on my nose. My nose has been kind of textured lately. I don't know why. I think I just have like clogged pores, honestly, and I need to do a mask, but I do feel a little bit of a difference there. I do feel like my skin looks a little bit brighter and more awake, so that's good. I'm excited to see these in the box. I love getting skincare, especially like pricier skincare, things that like I probably wouldn't want to buy myself, but like I'm happy they're in the box. So we have 2 products for the eyes, so let me just go ahead and pin my hair back, and I'm also going to clean up my brows really quick. We have the Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow primer. This is what it looks like. It's just like a little tube, and this retails for $22, so it's a lot for a primer. Okay, but it's just like a little squeeze tube. Let me see if this is like a clear or like more. Okay, it has a little bit of a tint to it, which I appreciate. Or maybe it's a little clear. All right. I like a more base with like a tint to it just because I do have a lot of veins and stuff, but I'm just going to take some and apply that to my eye. I kind of want to do a smoky liner. Let me just show you guys. Let me apply. I'm all over the place. Let me apply this first. So it does have like kind of a tint to it. I don't know if you guys can see, but like once you blend it out, it kind of looks a little bit more clear. But it does feel like a little bit thicker, which I do like a more thicker eyeshadow primer. When eyeshadow primers are thicker, they just like, it just sticks better, you know? So feel tacky as well, which I do like. Show you guys the other product because I'm gonna be doing both at the same time. We have, very excited for this, the Haus Labs liquid eyeliners. I love this liquid liner so much. I'm not a huge liquid liner person. Like I am not somebody that gravitates towards liquid liner at all. I'm more of a gel person, but the House Labs eyeliner is really, really good. And the one that's in my box, I don't know if they're doing both shades, like just depending on like the box, but I got Whiskey. I do have this already, so I'm just going to keep this one to the side. I have my Whiskey right here. This one is like a dark whiskey colored eyeliner, and I really, really like this one. So we're just going to be doing that. I kind of want to do a smoky liner, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to take a little bit of some color in my crease. I'm taking the Colourpop Bare Necessities palette, and okay, the eyeshadow primer still feels a little tacky, but not as tacky when I first applied it, which is good because then it won't just like stick to random spots, you know? So I'm going to take Hot Gossip, which is this shade right here, on a fluffy brush and just kind of dust this in the crease. I'm going to tap where I want it first. Oh yeah, it definitely feels like tacky, like it's sticking to the eyeshadow primer, but not in a bad way, like in a it's not gonna move way, you know? Take a little bit of this color in the crease. I actually kind of like this primer. Like it feels like eyeshadow is gripping to it, which feels good. I definitely don't feel like the eyeshadow will be moving anytime soon. It actually feels pretty nice. Take some of Full Expose, which is this shade. It's like a cream color shade. I'm just gonna put that on my lid. Just open up the eye a little bit. Okay, I'm getting good pigmentation with that primer, so I mean, it feels nice. Keeping that cream colored shadow like right in the lid, kind of creating like a faux cut crease with it, but not really doing like a cut crease, you know? I just want this area to be nice and bright. You guys can see that that shadow is actually like showing up a lot, so I think the primer is doing its job. And I am going to just go over the edges a little bit to kind of blend that out, soften it up a little bit. I'm going to move on to like the smoky liner part. I'm somebody that uses tape when it comes to doing my eyeliner, but using tape and doing a smoky liner just makes it a lot easier, so I'm going to use them. I don't have like regular tape, I just have washi tape, so I'm gonna take it from the corner, kind of like that. Like it makes smoky liner so much easier, but I don't like using tape normally. I look crazy. Also, if you're gonna use tape, please, for the love of God, like take it on the back of your hand first to make it less sticky, because then you're not gonna have like any pulling when you take it off. Does that look even? I have no idea. I think so. If not, oh well. I'm gonna take the eyeshadow first. I'm gonna start lightest to darkest, I think. So I'm gonna take a small little fluffy brush like this, and I'm gonna start with Complicated, which is that shade. And I'm just taking some of that and just running this along the lash line. This one's gonna like really not show up that much at first, but it'll make a difference later on. So I'm just keeping it on this outer part and just dragging it upwards. Like I said, this one won't be too noticeable because it's kind of similar to the shade we put in the crease, but it will make a difference later. You just want to make sure to put that like close to that tape too, so you can get that sharp edge. Okay, so I'm going to go into a deeper shade after that. I'm taking Crack On, which is that shade right there. I'm using the same brush. And I'm going to put that a little bit lower than the other shade. And this is just going to give you like a nice little blend. Our shade was important because it's just going to make this shade blend a lot easier and look a lot more gradient. I do this without tape and just like clean it up with concealer afterwards, but like you might as well just do it like this. Taking this brush, it's almost kind of the same size, but whatever. I'm taking the shade Taboo, which is this shade. It's like a little bit deeper and a little bit more cooler, and just bringing each shade down and down more closer to the lash line each time. So I'm going to take a little flat brush. You could use a little angle brush like this, but I'm just going to use a brush that's a little flat and small. And I'm taking the shade Stiletto, which is this darker brown shade down here. You could go in with Baubles, which is this shade. It's a little bit darker and cooler, but I want to see how this looks first, and then if I want to, I'll go in with another shade. And I'm taking this pretty much just close to the lash line. Not really taking it too far up, so Going to Whiskey, and this is what it looks like. This retails for $20, and it's such a pretty brown. I love this eyeliner. You could start with the liner and then just kind of do all this from there, but I kind of just like to do the eyeshadow first and then go in with the liner. So I'm just going to do small little stamps of liner, like that. And I'm just doing a wing. Once that kind of dries a little bit, I love that eyeliner. It's so pretty. It's like still looks dark, but it's not super black, like if you wanted to use black liner. So I'm going to go back with that same brush I was using with Stiletto and just kind of smudge that out. It is a liquid liner, so it's not going to smudge like a pencil liner, but I still want that darkness from the liquid liner, which is kind of like smoky, you know? So I'm just going to go over that. Going back with the shade Taboo over that one more time, just to kind of smoke that out. And I ended up doing that way too thick, so now we're doing a really thick smoky liner. If you want to just re-intensify the liner, you can just go back one more time, peel this off and see. Yeah, see, it's like nice and smoky. I love a good smoky liner moment. I take a little bit more of Hot Gossip, and I'm also taking a little bit of Tabloid, that shade. I'm just kind of defining the crease a little bit more, like so. Back again with some of that cream, just to really make that contrast. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of my makeup, and I only have one product left, so we'll use that. I don't know if it's gonna go with this makeup look, but we'll try it. So I just finished up the rest of my makeup. I just put lashes on and my foundation, all that good stuff. I also did my lower lash line. I pretty much just did the same colors that I put for the smoky liner, just on my lower lash line, and connected it to the outer corner. That's pretty much it. I will leave all the details for the rest of my makeup in the description box down below. But we have one product left, and this is a lip product. This is from the brand Appeal Cosmetics. It's the Ultra Cream Liquid Lipstick. It retails for $21. I don't know if this is going to go with this look, but I really, really like this look so far. I might change the lip. I don't know yet, but we'll see. It's kind of like a dusty pink color. Or like a terracotta-y color. I like the color. I don't know if I like it for this look though. I don't think it really goes with it, but the formula feels nice. It feels nice and creamy. I don't know if it's gonna like set, or it looks like it's kind of setting now that I'm like looking at it. But it feels really comfortable, and I do like the color. The color is Sugar and Spice. I mean, it feels nice on the lips. It feels really, really lightweight and comfortable. And it doesn't feel like a dry liquid lipstick. It goes on kind of like a soft cream formula. Kind of like how the Ultra Satin lips feel from Colourpop, but I think it's a little bit more lightweight, and I think it sets a little bit more than the Ultra Satin lips do. But I mean, I like it. I like the color. I just don't really like it for this look, so I am going to change the lip. Don't mind me, so I'll be right back. I changed the lip. I just didn't like that lip color for this look, but doesn't this look so much better? Like a brown lip. I love brown lips. I know a lot of people don't like it. Everyone always has to give their opinion on it. I don't care. I love it. I just feel like it goes really good with that liquid liner and stuff, and the smoky liner. But for my lips, I did Colourpop BFF3 with the Haus Labs Dust matte lip crayon. So that's what I have on my lips. I love it. Looks so good. So let me add everything up to see how much this month's box was worth. So this month's box was worth $140. Hey guys, my thoughts on this month's box. I'm really happy to see Haus Labs in this month's box, but I really liked these little resurfacing pads. I think they worked really nicely, and my skin felt nice and clean and smooth afterwards, and I feel like my makeup went on nice on top of it. So like I said, I was excited to see the Haus Labs liquid liner in the box this month. I love this liquid liner. I think it's super, super easy to use. It's really pigmented, and it just glides on really easily. I love Punk, which is the black one. I like to use that one as well. I think it's just really good, and it has like a nice flow for a liquid liner. I hate when like liquid liners like skip and stuff, so I really like that this was in the box this month. This was, I mean, I already have it, but I'm glad that like other people will be able to try it, you know. So yeah, eyeshadow primer. I mean, I feel like my eyeshadows went fine on top of it. Like, I didn't really notice anything crazy different from like my normal primers. I wish it was like a little bit more of a tinted primer, because I do like those kind of eyeshadow bases more, just because I like a nice clean canvas. I could still kind of see my veins through the primer still, but once I have eyeshadow on, I can't really see anything, because I did notice that my shadows went on pretty pigmented on top of it. It was a nice tacky base, and it did feel like all of the shadows were like sticking to it, you know. So I mean, it's really good. I'll keep using it and see if I really like it. I am on the hunt for like a new eyeshadow primer right now anyway, so we'll see if like my eyeshadow lasts and stuff through the day, if it doesn't crease or anything. Tarte micellar water. It's a cool little thing, I guess, and I don't really care for it that much, but I mean, it's a okay thing to have now, I guess. But I do like micellar waters. I've never tried the Tarte one, but I mean, it's cool to have. Last, we have the liquid lipstick that I did not wear today, but just applying it, it felt really nice. It didn't feel like dry or anything. It's like a nice, comfortable liquid lip, and it just has like that nice, like creamy feeling where it's not super dry or anything. So, and I do like the color, just not specifically for this look, you know. So overall, I think it was a decent box. I think my favorite thing probably will be like the little resurfacing pads. And I want to keep using those because I really like the way my skin felt afterwards. It felt nice. So let me know down below if you guys got the same stuff in your box that I got, or if you got anything different. I want to hear what you guys got in your box, so let me know. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did like this video, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.